Hello there guys, Shannon here. I am back to do a couple of reactions, and the reason I say a couple is because I'm going to do the first of FluffleMixer's videos. And just from having a look at them when I was downloading them, they're only like... The first ones he's done are very short. I mean, there's 54 seconds, 8 seconds, 6 seconds, 15 seconds... 51 seconds, 23 seconds, 19 seconds, 5 seconds. And yeah, they're pretty small to start off with. I mean, they start getting bigger as it goes on. A couple of 1 minutes. Most recent one I'm looking at here is 4 minutes long. So with this video, I am going to try and get as many done as I can possible within 15 minutes. So we'll see as we go on how many are actually recorded. So let's jump right in with the first one, which is Dan's Dream. I know there's a show about this character Dan, because I've seen the thumbnail, I know who Dan is. But I've never actually watched the show, so I don't know much about that. So we're just going to have to jump right in and see what happens. Dan versus Friendship is Magic. What the hell?
Why did that funeral have to take so long?
He sounds like Snot.
My show.
From American Dad. He sounds like Snot from American Dad.
This is an outrage. Oh well, I got my sandwich.
What the?
Pinkie Pie!
What the hell?
Why can't I wake up from this? Great, there goes breakfast.
Is he in? He's in Twilight's house, isn't it?
My foot! Stupid thing. Ow! My foot!
Idiot.
Stupid thing. See, I learned. Ow! Ah!
This is really well animated.
I can't believe how much I hate everything.
What the hell? Okay then. First thing I have to say about that, it's very well animated. Very quick as well. I mean, that was so short, but that was very good actually. I actually enjoyed that. I was really confused to start off with, very confused. And am I right? Is it the same guy from? He sounds like Snot from American Dad. And if you know who I'm on about, I swear that's the same voice, or someone who sounds like him anyway. It's so close to being exactly the same. But no, that was really, really entertaining, that was. That was very good. I like that. The next one is called asdanfim Robbery. And this is only 7 seconds long, so this is going to be a short one. Okay, let's have a little look then. Let's see where. Okay, let's see. Huh? No, play.
This is a robbery.
Done. Okay, I didn't expect that. Oh, I enjoyed that one. That caught me off guard. Oh god. Well, that was quick. What can I say about that apart from that was very, very good. And I think I was just laughing so much. I think I saw Derpy's face there randomly for no reason. I can imagine someone doing that though in real life. I really can. Okay, what's the next one? It's called asdanfim Baked You a Pie. And this is even shorter. Oh god, what's this one going to be? Let me just get set up. Okay, let's see what this one is. Oh, for God's sake, why is nothing working for me?
I
There
bet
we
you
are.
a pie.
Oh boy, what flavor?
Pie flavor.
What the fuck? That literally made no sense to me. I baked you a pie. What flavour? Pie flavour. And then Pinkie Pie pops out the pie. I get the symbolism, pie. Yeah, very clever. But God, that was weird. That was extremely weird. What the hell? We're just going to move on from that one. The next one, it's called It's Finally Done. It's Finally Done. .avi.wmv.txt.nope. This one's 18 seconds. It's a little bit longer, so we're going to have to wait and see what this one's like. Because these are just very odd. Okay, then. Let's see what this one is. One more against... okay, building Dan's computer for ponies. Awesome computer! Oh, was that Flufflepuff? I'm not sure. One message. You're a Oh, I knew I shouldn't have sent him that. I knew he'd take it the wrong way, but I did it anyway. No, that was good. That was good. And that was on Tumblr. If anybody didn't recognise it, that was Tumblr. You probably will all recognise it. I don't know why I pointed that out. These are good. They're short, but really, really good. Oh, what's the next one? Chainsaw Nope. The fact that their word has chainsaw in it does not fill me with confidence. Okay, let's start this one. One spaghetti explosion.
Your disgusto zombie hands.
Is that Twilight?
Finger falling off in my butt.
What?
Killing zombies gives me total wood.
What the hell's going on? Oh, I know that game.
I'd never have sex with a zombie.
It does, it sounds like Twilight.
Flowers.
That sounds so much like Twilight as well. That's really, oh my god. That's good. I had never really made that connection before. It does, it sounds so much like Twilight. That's clever. that's very cleverly spotted. Well done. What's the next one? Pseudo-Woodo WMV. Pseudo-Woodo WMV. I guess it's going to be about Pokemon. Let's see if I'm correct. Guess what? Is this the first one where we're actually going to have Flufflepuff in it? Properly? It's so fuzzy, I'm gonna die!
Now buy me lunch.
No, you heard Flufflepuff! No chance in hell am I going to buy you lunch! It's just so fuzzy! Why hurt the fuzzy? All these are just so random, but I'm enjoying them so much. What's the next one? Whereby is it? This one's called onichan.avi.wmv. Onichan. What the hell is that going to be about? Is it pronounced Onichan? Looks like it. Anyway, let's get started with this one. I'm really hoping he hasn't done it that it is in Japanese, because that would be weird. Come on, start! Why won't you start? Start! Yay!
Who said that? Which one of y'all dead motherfuckers just said that?
Oh my god!
Was it you, String Bean? Skinny ass looking motherfucker.
Holy shit!
Turn around and say it again.
Who's saying it?
Say it again. Oh, now you fucked up.
Sweetie Belle!
Hey, fucked up.
Don't!
Now you
Shut up, Sweetie Belle!
Now
Don't, you're scaring her!
Fucked up now! Now you fucked up! Now you fucked up!
What the? She's enjoying it. She knows what she's doing.
Now you fucked up! You have fucked up now!
What
Now you
the?
fucked up! Now you fucked up!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god. That was genius. I like the fact Sweetie Belle, she looks scared at one point. Next minute, she knows how she's annoying the crap out of him. You can see it in her face. She's enjoying it. Oh god. I was not expecting that. Oh, I need to calm down. Whew. I did enjoy that one. Whew. What's the next one? asdanfim Flying Pony. Only 4 seconds. Let's get started. Okay, start whenever you're ready, mate. Okay, freeze on me. Grand. Come on. No. Okay, hopefully you'll work this time.
I wonder if my pony can fly.
Probably. What the fuck?
Huh.
Well, that was quick. I thought Rainbow Dash would fly off. Didn't realise Pinkie Pie was there. Makes sense. Moving on. Don't want to spend too much time on that one. What's the next one? Dan versus Friendship is Magic. Monster Under the Bed. Monster Under the Bed. There's always a monster under the bed, kids. There's one under there right now. Don't go look. Don't go finding it. If you do, it'll get you. Moving on. Okay, let's see what this one is. Dan versus Friendship is Magic. Monster Under the Bed. Holy shit.
Was that you? I need to stop feeding you tacos before bed.
Agreed.
Yes, I know you like them.
Who wouldn't? What the? Holy shit.
That!
Oh my god.
Oh.
You look so relaxed.
Hey, I was gonna eat that!
No, I was.
We have a problem! Evacuation plan 14!
There's 14?
This is not 12!
That's 12? What plan is that?
Closing's
Just-
overrated anyway!
Yeah, just jump.
Ah!
Oh, Fluffle.
Hey! Call the police! There's a monster under my bed!
That'll go well. Oh, Twilight. I would love to hear that conversation now. Help me! What is it? There's a monster on my bed. Are you fucking serious? Yes, there's a monster in my bed. It threw Flufflepuff at me. We'll be right there. Nobody harms Flufflepuff. I'm going to just say it one more last time. These are really well animated. Really well. What's the next one? What is the next one? New guest. New guest. What time is it? I've had to look through some. Oh, 14 seconds, 15 now. Okay. That's 30. Nah, I really won't have time for afterwards. I'll just have a quick... But yeah, these are really good. I can't wait until I get to actual Flufflepuff episodes, because I know people have said there are entire episodes just to get dedicated to Flufflepuff, and I'm really looking forward to when I get to that. But I really am enjoying these. These damn ones are very well done. Very well animated as well. Very well animated. Very enjoyable. And I really cannot wait till I get to Flufflepuff. It's just so fuzzy! But once again, thanks for watching, and until next time, goodbye!